Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Dropbox file sharing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the folder or file you want to share. Right-click on the file or folder. Select the share option from the drop-down menu. A sharing window will pop up. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can also choose their permissions, such as can edit or can view. After setting permissions, click on the Share button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the share was successful. If you want to create a link instead, click on Create a Link in the sharing window. Once the link is created, click on Copy Link. You can now send this link to anyone via email or messaging apps. To verify the sharing settings, return to the same file or folder. Click on the Share option again. This time, you'll see a list of people who have access. Review their permissions to ensure they are set correctly. If needed, you can change their permissions from this window. If you want to remove someone, click on the X next to their name. Confirm the removal in the prompt that appears. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, close the sharing window. Your file or folder is now shared correctly with the desired settings. You can check back anytime to verify or update sharing options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.